Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can make a flyer design in Adobe Illustrator. To make a flyer design you need your logo that will be presenting your business, and the secondly is the catchy headline that will attract your customers to your flyer design. You can add your visuals to make it good and more eye-catching, and lastly you need the color scheme that you think will be good for your design. So let me show you how you can make one. So to make a flyer design, first you need to go to files and select on the new. And here you're going to click on the more settings. You can name it anything you want. I'm going to name it a flyer design, and size will be the customized, or you can select the letterhead. 8.5 inches and the 11 inches is the standard size that you used in all the flyer design, and I'm going to add some bleed marks to it. That will be 0.125 inches. The color mode will be CMYK, and everything else will remain same. Now click on create document, and here you have the artboard for your flyer design. I'm going to grab all of these and put it on my artboard here, and we will use these images in a minute. First we're going to create the background. I'm going to use a rectangle tool and click on the artboard, and here the width will be 8.5 and the height will be 11 inches, and click OK. I'm going to place in the center of the board, and by using the eyedropper tool I will change the color to this one. Now I'm going to grab this one and align to the artboard and lock it here. Now we got the background for our design. Now let's create a design for your flyer. I'm going to create another layer. I'm going to name it a design. I'm going to use pen tool to draw some of the objects here. Now I'm going to unlock this layer and select these two, and select the shape builder tool to remove the part that I don't want. And again I'm going to select the selection tool, and here I'm going to change the color to this one, and I'm going to take a copy of this layer. Now I'll place it something like here. Yeah, that's good enough. I'm going to select all of these and use the shape builder tool. I'm going to lock this one and again try to remove these parts, and here you go. You have a very basic design. I'm going to just make a small minor adjustments to this, and here you go. Now for this part I will be using the ellipse tool and create a circle here. I'm going to place it just here, and I'm going to take a copy of this layer by Control C and pasting it here, and I will just reduce the size of it. I'm going to change the color to white and hit OK. Now I'm going to place this image on top of this one. So for that I need to copy this image and paste it on my design layer, and here I will just select this one and select this one and arrange it send to back. So this image and this image will be top on of each other. I'm going to resize this one and place it here. I'm going to bring this downwards and select this and go to the transparency menu and make a mask. Now you have image, and now here I'm going to put the logo. For that I need to copy this one and select on design menu and put it here. So this is our logo. I will ungroup this and make it a little bigger, and there you go. So now for the down part, now we will start with the new layer because we don't want any changes with the upper part. I'm going to add some text here. I'm going to select the pen tool and draw another design here. I'll be using on the design layer, and I will draw something like this. Now I'm going to unlock the background layer and select these two and remove it by shape builder tool. Now I'm going to take a copy of this and I'm going to add the contact now section. If you have any QR code, you can put that here. I'm going to remove the fill, and there you go. So that's it everyone. That's how you can make a flyer design in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. If this video helps you in any way, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.